Hi everybody, and thank you for joining me for York County Public Library's Book Talks. I'm Miss Jenna, and I am so super excited that summer is here. June is unofficially known as National Candy Month, so today I'm going to highlight books that, you guessed it, talk about candy. I can't talk about candy in books without thinking about Willy Wonka. If you know the classic movie or even the remake, you might not know that they're based on the books by Roald Dahl. The first book in the series is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Willy Wonka has opened his chocolate factory to visitors for the first time in a very, very long time, but only 5 lucky children will be allowed to enter. We follow the adventures of Charlie Bucket as he and fellow golden ticket winners travel through the mysterious depths of the greatest candy factory in the entire world. This book is life-changing, and you will never stop wishing you had an everlasting gobstopper. Imagine candy gave you superpowers. What would you do? Where would you go? And who would try to manipulate you? The Candy Shop Wars by Brandon Mull answers these questions and more. Mrs. White, a Willy Wonka-level candy shop owner, has the ability to make candy that gives you special powers. Rock candy makes you weightless, jawbreakers make you unbreakable, and chocolate balls make you a master of disguise. Our 4 heroes get caught in the middle of a candy war when Mrs. White asks them to use their newfound powers to help her find her missing treasure. The task turns into a far more difficult journey than they ever imagined when multiple people try to stop them, including the wily ice cream truck driver. You will never look at candy the same way again. Now that your imagination is in high gear and your mouth is watering, I'm sure you'll be thrilled to know that we also offer candy cookbooks. The Sweet Book of Candy Making by Elizabeth LeBeau is a work of decadent candy art. Whether you want to learn how to make a very simple caramel or a more difficult raspberry rose truffle, this book is the key to satisfying anybody's outrageous sweet tooth. The gorgeous pictures make ordinary candy just as scrumdiddlyumptious as their magical counterparts. Just because National Candy Month is almost over doesn't mean you have to stop being sweet. Remember that like most candy, true sweetness is on the inside. Scatter your kindness like grains of sugar and do something nice for someone today. And the sweetest part of my summer is the summer reading program, which started June 22nd. We have digital programming that runs through July 31st. So just search for York County Public Library and don't forget to like and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel to stay up to date with programming, like more book talks, story times, and more. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have the sweetest day.